Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I just want to show you real quick how you can dropship items from Amazon onto your eBay seller account. So pretty simply, you guys just have to set up an account with PayPal and with eBay, excuse me, so that you're able to sell on eBay. So if you guys have ever sold anything on eBay before, you know how to do it, obviously. But I'm going to show you how you'll go on to Amazon, and it's going to work especially good if you have a Prime account. So we're going to jump into the screen here. So first of all, I'm just on my Amazon account. So you can search for any kind of item. You can go for the deals of the day and try to look for those items because usually those will be on clearance. But here we're just going to search, since it's September, we're nearing Halloween. We can look for Halloween decorations and see what items we have here. So see, there's a few of these different items we can look at. For example, these 3 hanging skeletons right here, you can check these right here. So click on this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste. I'm going to get all this right here. I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to go over to eBay. I'm going to paste this. So I'm going to search for it on eBay to see if anything pulls up. So nothing pulled up there. So maybe there's a few words that I can try deleting, and then maybe they'll appear. So we'll try deleting those words and see if what pops up here. Still nothing. Okay. Let me try deleting this part. Okay. Here we go right here. So it's the same thing. Okay, so you can see that right here they're charging $25.36. Here it's $18.95. Okay, so here's something you want to keep in mind, obviously, is that you will be charged 10% fee through eBay, but then also you can be charged 2.9% for a PayPal fee, as well as another 30 cents for the PayPal transaction. So eBay charges a fee as well as PayPal. So you got to keep that in mind. So we can do the math, obviously, on this one. I'll pull out a calculator here. Here we go. So if we pull up the calculator here, so what was it again? So it was $18.95. And if we do the math, we do 18.95. So we'll do, it's 12.9%. So it's 10% for the PayPal fee and the 2.9% for the, or 10% for eBay fee, 2.9% for the PayPal fee, plus 30 cents. So it'll be 12.9% plus 30 cents. So we will multiply. So times 1.129 equals, and then add 30 cents. So 21.70 is what it's going to be. 21.70. That will be your break-even point there. Okay. So 21.70, that's what you can charge. So we see that 21.70 would beat that, but obviously you want to charge a few dollars so that you can make a profit. So if you're able to charge maybe $24, then you make a couple dollars profit there. So we can try. So see, there's a lower price. So that's something kind of obviously you can shoot for, something around there. So you'll be able to make a few bucks off that. So we'll go into another example. Make the screen bigger again. So we'll find another decoration here. So we'll keep going down, looking for the list, looking for something kind of different. Try this thing right here. So we'll try this decoration. We'll copy and paste this. So copy, paste this into eBay. And see if there's any of these on eBay. Okay, right here. So they're selling it for $258, $252, $252, $246, $227. Okay, $227 is the lowest I see. So once again, we'll do the same thing with the calculator. So $199.96. So we'll do 199.96 times 1.12.9%. So 225 plus 30 cents. So 226 and 6 cents is your break-even point. 226, 6 cents. 226. So we have 227. So this person is making like $1.50 off each of these. But something I want to show you guys also is that you can go onto your eBay account to see what has been sold here. So obviously there's a lot of different listings here. But then if you go here on this left-hand side, click on sold listings to see what's actually been sold. And so you see only one of these has actually been sold. And surprisingly enough, it's not the lowest price. So $250, $227 was the price that was sold. It was sold, what, like 12 days ago, 13 days ago, a couple weeks ago. So we can click on this. Maybe there's something different this person's doing to be able to get this sold instead of the other people, because you would think it's the lowest price. Maybe they have good pictures, probably similar picture, probably a better description, something like that. Yeah, see they have these colors here. Their description is pretty professional. So they have a really nice setup on their description, so that really helps them stand out from their competition. So then we can go back and we can look at the other people. So see, their description's really good. So that probably caught the buyer's eye. If we go back and compare it with other people, so we'll go to the really cheap one, 227, and see if their description looks any different. So see, they still have a big description, but it just doesn't catch your eye as much. It still looks pretty nice, but it doesn't have that blue color that catches the eye as much. So that's something that helps you stand out. So obviously you want to have a fair price, but not necessarily the lowest price. The lowest price right here, they still haven't sold one, which is pretty surprising. So this person right here, they made a pretty nice profit. But another tip I just wanted to remind you guys is make sure it's going to be with Prime. So when you guys are going and looking at this, make sure you click on the left-hand side here. It'll give you an option to go with Prime. So you can select that there to make sure everything that you are looking at is going to be with Prime. Because what's going to happen is, so say you guys decide that decoration that we were just looking at is what you do want to sell. So we'll just find that again. So say you decide, hey, you know what, this is what I want to sell. Okay. So once you click on it here, you click on one of these. You'll just click on Sell Now. You'll go ahead and you'll list this item. So you're going to copy and paste the description over from Amazon onto your eBay account right here. So you can go ahead, you can change the name, for just the video. I'm just going to leave this description the same for the title. And you guys can change it to whatever you want. You can add a photo. So you can go, you save this image, you can click on it. You can save the image, save it to your desktop. You can come over to your eBay, put it as the main photo. Then you'll go through and you'll fill out all this. And then you're really going to want to make sure you have a good description, so you can go over, copy and paste what's here. So go through all of this, copy, paste that. And then you're really going to want to make sure it looks professional, obviously. Maybe make it a little bit bigger font, so things stick out a little bit more. You can add some color. You can really spend some time there. But you'll go through and you'll just add that in. And then you'll want to set the price. And you won't set it to auction, you'll set it to buy it now. So you can decide, you'll remember a break-even. Break-even was $2.26 and 6 cents. So you'll just want to make sure that that's what your price starts at least. But you're going to want to do buy it now. You're going to want to add a few dollars onto that so that you're able to make a few dollars. But once someone goes ahead and they purchase this item from you on eBay, you will go into your Amazon account and you'll purchase that item with the money that they gave you. So now to keep in mind, if you're pretty new to selling on eBay, PayPal is going to have a hold for a few days on your funds. But once you show that you're a serious seller, after a couple weeks, they won't put your money on hold anymore. So that's something you guys need to be aware of at the beginning. But yeah, so don't let that hold you back, obviously, from buying things and drop shipping on eBay from Amazon. But you guys can use your PayPal account. You can use maybe a MasterCard with PayPal. To get an actual card from PayPal to be able to purchase from Amazon. You can set it up that way as well. But yeah, so I mean, it's pretty simple. I mean, if you guys have any questions, obviously leave them in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, just leave a thumbs up, and I'm happy to answer any questions you guys do have.